In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pionex Grid Trading Bot. So first of all, what you have to do is go to pionex.com and create your account. Once your account has been created, what you have to do is go to the features and select Futures Bot. Before going to the Futures Bot, you have to verify your profile. In order to verify your profile, you have to upload your identity card or your driver's license, and you have to take a selfie and give a live check. And once your profile has been verified, you have to go to the future and click on Futures Bot. Now this page will open. From here, what you have to do is go to the right side and select Futures Grid and click on Create. Now once you click on Create, this page will open. Now from here, you will be able to see two different strategies: copy strategy and customize. So I will show you the customize first. So in the customize section, you have the highest price range and the lowest price range. So let's suppose I'll be entering the lowest price as $76,000 and the highest price will be $80,000. Now after that, I have to give a quantity of grids. I will show you what it means for a bit. So you can choose quantity of grids between 2 and 126. I will select it as 50. Now as you can see, 50 grids have been created. Now these are the grids, and the profit per grids or the fee deduction is 0.6% to minus 0.06%. Now after that, you have to enter the investment amount. So you can select any amount. For instance, I haven't deposited any money yet, so it is giving me that. So once you have deposited some money into the Pionex, then you won't get this error. And after that, you can also change the leverage amount, and you can move it up to 100x. So I will leave it as 3x. And then other options are just optional, and simply click on Create. Then your bot will be created. I haven't entered any amount, so it won't let me create. The other strategy is the copy strategy. If I go to the copy strategy, and it will show me some pre-built bots that are already created. The upper limit has been set, the lower limit has been set, and it will also let me know that how these bots are performing. Like this bot is performing 240.52% in plus, so I can also copy that bot. I don't have to do any customization because everything has been done already and it is pre-built. I can also use this bot. It is 495% in the plus section. So simply what I have to do is click on the copy bot button and enter the amount of balance that I want to invest, and simply click on Create. And that's simply how I can use Pionex Grid Trading Bot. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.